Linear Technology Corporation designs, manufactures and markets a broad line of standard high-performance analog integrated circuits. Applications for the company's products include telecommunications, cellular telephones, networking products, notebook and desktop computers, video, multimedia, industrial instrumentation, automotive electronics, factory automation, process control, military and space systems. The company was founded in 1981 by Robert H. Swanson, Jr. and Robert C. Dobkin. In August 2010, Forbes called the company one of the tech industry's most profitable companies. In July 2016, Analog Devices agreed to buy Linear Technology for $14.8 billion. This acquisition was finalized on March 10, 2017. Products. As of August 2010, the company makes over 7,500 products, which they organize into 7 product categories: data conversion, analog to digital converters, digital to analog converters, signal conditioning, operational amplifiers, comparators, voltage references, power management, switching regulators, linear regulators, battery management, LED drivers, interface, RS-232, RS-485, radio frequency, mixers, quadrature modulators, oscillators, and space and military ICs. The company maintains LT Spice, a freely downloadable version of Spice that includes schematic capture. Locations. Corporate headquarters are in Milpitas, California. In the United States, the company has design centers in Phoenix, Arizona, Grass Valley, California, Santa Barbara, California, Colorado Springs, Colorado, North Chelmsford, Massachusetts, Manchester, New Hampshire, Cary, North Carolina, Plano, Texas, and Burlington, Vermont. It also has centers in Munich and Singapore. The company's wafer fabrication facilities are located in Camas, Washington and Milpitas, California. See also Jim Williams, Analog Designer, Linear Technology official site, including LT Spice.